All right. So myself, Balesh, I'm a senior network engineer in Zoom Technologies. Zoom will provide a training at the same time, uh, network support also. We have few clients. So we used to support for railway department, police department, and banking sectors. So we manage these networks. Uh, so I'm going to be discuss what we have experienced in our regular work jobs. Like when we go for the customer location, like what are the challenges we have faced, what protocols they used, and how the environment is being connected. These are all the things I would like to share with you in our day-by-day sessions. And the main thing is, so in this CCNA training program, what we are going to be cover. So just have a look on that course curriculum because Cisco curriculum is different and we designed that is a different action. Almost same as we redesigned that because CCNA plus Cisco security. So we have added some more security topics in our section. I think already have gone through this curriculum. Once again, you can see the course outline. Yeah. CCNA 20301 will start with network fundamentals, network access with LAN switching technologies, WAN technologies like broadband and laser lines. What is the difference between broadband and laser lines? IP addressing with IPv4 and IPv6. So easy subnetting, IP connectivity. So in IP connectivity, complete routing concepts will be covered actually. Like what is router, types of router, functions of router, router internal components, external components, and routing technologies like static routing, dynamic routing types, like how dynamic routing protocol works. A complete routing technologies will be done. IP services like a syslog service, DHCP service, NTP services. So we'll discuss few services about IP services and security fundamentals, NATing technologies like how exactly internet is working, like based upon what protocol we are getting internet access, and troubleshooting part, like every protocol troubleshooting part. So this is one phase, and second thing is security, Cisco security. Actually, this Cisco security is also is a part of CCNA, but we just differentiated security part only separately actually. And we added some more topics, which is not covered by Cisco. Common security threats and attacks, like what type of attacks will be happen after building your network. So in top, we will learn about how to form a network and how to establish a communication on the network. It can be local network, it can be wide network. So once network is established, then what type of attacks and threats will be happen, like how to overcome that type of issue. And Cisco IoE's firewall technologies, not physical device firewall, like IoE's firewall means Cisco IoE's can act like a firewall, which is ACLs, access control list we can implement. And how to implement security on Cisco routers and Cisco switches by setting up passwords, like enhancing our security features and securing administrative access using a AAA and radius servers. Like all network engineers used to log in your networking devices for day by day, right? So that access should be high secured and configure user privileges. So and so on. L1 engineer have limited privileges. L2 engineer have some high privileges. Like layer 3, level 3 engineer has ultimate privileges. Like we can configure user privileges also and VPN technologies. So in VPN technologies, we have many types of VPNs like GRE VPN, IPsec VPN, DM VPN, SSL VPN. So in our course, we'll cover basic GRE VPN concept only and secure network management and reporting like syslogs, how to report the management So this is our course outline. So in our upcoming 30 days course, we are going to be discuss on these topics only. So this course will help you to prepare for your CCNA certification exam also. But this course is not enough to attempt the Cisco CCNA exam. Beyond that, you should prepare some textbooks. You need to follow some additional also. But I can guide you like how to start, how to prepare to who are planning for CCNA examination. So this course will just help you to prepare a CCNA exam. Only this course will not help you actually. You need to, again, preparation is required. But what is the advantage of this course? So point number one, this course will help you for attempt the CCNA exam. Point number two, this course will is very useful to clear your uh, entry level interviews, CCNA interviews, network engineer interviews, and we can come to know how real world, how real networks are connected and what are the protocols they used. So these are the three major points. Based upon this point of view, I'll try to discuss all the topics actually. Point number one, certification view. Point number two, interview. Point number three, real networks, how they're connected. Okay, so this is the course outline. Before starting to season introduction part, so let me take a interaction with one-on-one. So this is about myself and course content. So while your introduction, if you have any doubts, you can ask me also, okay? But don't take much time, just quickly wind up it. Let's start with Abdul Ahad. Hi, Mr. Abdul Ahad.
Hi, this is Sayyed Abdullah. I'm trying this course for the first time. Haven't done before, so this is my first experience in learning this course.
Okay, you're new for season, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, do you have any regarding doubts about this course content?
No, no, it is very clear.
Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, alias ka Dohadwala. Alias.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Eliezer Darola. I am doing already 15 years old, doing job in networking line. And
Oh,
first
excellent.
time,
Appreciate.
I first time experiencing CCNA.
So you already have a 15 years experience in networking, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Oh, that's very really great, man. Really appreciate you. So still you
Thank you,
are
sir.
doing the CCNA means like you need to you want to know about configuration part
You,
level, right?
yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, right, right.
I think you now we are in the doing the field work on the other side and installation side, I think, right? Or
Yeah, sir.
business
Right,
side.
right, right,
Now
sir.
you're trying to getting into configuration side. Excellent. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sure. I'll help you out on the configuration side and how to come to settle down
Okay,
in
sir.
your. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Ahid. Ahid.
Hello, good morning, sir. Myself
Good
Syed
morning.
Akhil, and I am new to this course. I don't know about computer networking, so I am trying to attend this course for total networking CCNA. And I don't know about networking equipments, networking devices, don't know about modem, switch, server. I just watch YouTube videos for networking and got some basic information. And like I want to complete the CCNA Cisco course and I'm attempt the exam. I will
Yeah.
attempt the Cisco
Super.
exam
Super.
after completing
Oh,
the
no
course.
issues. Okay.
So I am new to this networking field. I am uh, don't know about anything networking. I just
No
completed
problem, Ahid. Even if
sir.
it is a new for very new for
I
to
am
you also.
I am on new for computer networking, but I just completed like in school life like MSCIT course, and after that I completed a computer hardware. computer hardware chip level, laptop repair, computer repair. After that, I am take admission to CCNA. Now I want to learn networking, and after that I will take admission to IT companies like IT sector. I want to join the IT sector. For that, I have to learn about computer hardware, and after that networking, and after that development, software development courses. So I don't know about anything. Like I just know basic knowledge about the computer and computer hardware system installation. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
very nice of your head and whatever expecting from this course,
Hmm.
surely I'll support you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Atul,
Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi sir. My name is Atul Vash. From last 3 years, I'm working in computer networking departments, and I having grip on the servers, but I don't know basically much knowledge on the routers, firewall, switches. So basically, I joined this course to learn the routings, policies, and everything. That's it, sir.
very good, Atul, because you have already 3 years experience in the computer networking, right?
Yeah, right, sir.
So based on that experience, now we are getting the training into CCNA. This training will help you very, very good knowledge actually,
Yeah, right,
because
sir.
you are going to be discussing and practically discussing with routers and switches especially.
Yeah, right,
So
sir.
this knowledge will help you boosting you for your job careers actually. Okay,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, everyone.
Hi Chandu.
Yeah, hi Balesh. Hi everyone.
Yeah.
I'm first time experiencing this course.
So okay, you're new for CCNA,
Yeah.
right? No.
I'm new for this
Okay.
course.
Have you done any other courses for
Currently I'm working.
MCSE like another?
No. Currently I'm
Okay,
working
working
finance
what?
side. Yeah, finance side.
Finance side. So you're trying to migrate, you're shifting, you're changing your career to IT side.
Yes.
All the best, Chandu. I'll support you for your all this IT field. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Balesh.
Thank you. Dayal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
How are you, everyone? Good morning.
Good.
My name is Dial Haq. I am from Yemen. I have done computer science, in computer science. I have read CCNA from Cisco website. Not all, but I have some knowledge about network. And I want to get a certificate in CCNA security, especially.
Oh, is it? No CCNA security, man. So CCNP security is there actually. No CCNA level security certification. It's expired and from 2 years back in 2020, before pandemic, it has been expired. Now only one CCNA, but that CCNA 200-301 security fundamentals also is added. But you want to specialize only for security, you need to go for CCNP level security, not in any level. I'll tell you the track also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for the
Okay. Thank you. Same.
Shyam, actually, recently I passed out from MBA and Information Technology. So I don't have any experience with CCN or something like that. Actually, I'm looking for CCNA basics and as well as I want to migrate it to some AWS and some of the basic administrators.
Oh, Sham, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Sham. Yes, it's good plan to go to cloud technologies.
Yes.
So for
So it
AWS,
is the
this
basic for
CCNA, yeah, CCNA is very help you to. CCNA will is a entry level training program for all IT job roles.
yes.
Yeah, good plan.
Yeah, thank you.
Nikhil,
Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and I joined this course for gaining the CCNA certificate and then moving to cyber security.
oh, right, good, Nikhil. So you are The target is cybersecurity, so you need
Yeah, but the
basic
basic
knowledge
is
on
there.
CCNA. Then yes, good plan. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you.
Jessica.
Hello, my name is Jessica and I am new to CCNA.
Right, Jessica. Thank you, Raj Kumar.
Yeah, hi Balesh. This is
Hi.
Rajkumar from Hyderabad, and I'm working on Linux environment, hypervisor, and NetApp storage, and the cloud operations from past 12 years. So I got a new profile in my organization handling security operations. So for that, I have completed CH, ACSA, ACIA, and then currently, I don't have any knowledge on this networking side because I need to proceed with CISSP. So that's the reason I just joined this course.
It's great, man. Really appreciate. So we have already experienced for 4 years on hypervisors and exe servers installation and right and virtual VMware.
Yeah, 12 years.
Well, yes, experience. Oh, right.
Yeah.
So inside you have opportunity to go for new job role,
Yeah,
right?
now I have
Right.
to lead that. That's the reason.
Then it is very fundamental course actually. Like you learn about just network fundamentals only. Already you know that fundamentals
Yeah.
because
I know, but I just want
like
to give a start
operations
from
wise
here.
we'll
Yeah.
discuss about Cisco routers configuration and switches configuration part. You can learn about it actually.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Raj. Sai Kaushik Reddy.
Yeah, hello, good morning, sir. I'm Sai Kaushik. I'm new to this CCNA course, so I would like to do this course to get into cybersecurity side. So yeah, and coming
Good.
to, I
So
have a doubt, sir. Apart from this CCNA course, what are the other most skills required to get into the cybersecurity or networking profile related jobs?
this is good enough to get into cybersecurity job role. Whatever you are discussing in our training, this is very good enough because you can learn about how networks are establishing, how networks are works,
Hmm.
and what equipment, what devices will use for to form a network, to build a network. So that is good enough. Later, how security point of view and how attacks will come, that we'll learn about in cybersecurity. This is only how to build a network.
Okay, sir.
So it's good enough actually. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sharan Naidu.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
My name is Sharan. I completed recently a year back. I graduated with my BSc Computer Science. Currently, I'm planning for my PG diploma in cybersecurity. So for that, I'm taking up the CCNA course. I'm a beginner to this. At the same time, I want to, find a job opportunity after doing this course.
Okay, right, sir. Saujanya.
Yes. Hi, Balesh. This is Saujanya from Bangalore, and I have 3 years experience in BPO. Now I need to change IT field.
So
I
you have
don't have
experience
any
on what?
experience
Previous
in
experience?
no experience in networks.
No, currently you're working on
Huh?
what?
I BPO in healthcare.
Okay. So from non-IT, you are trying to migrate to IT core, right?
Yes. Yes.
Good. So all the best, Saujanya. I'll help you out for
Thank you.
whatever you require. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Tarun. Tarun. Okay. Tomiwa.
Hi, I'm actually Tarun. I'm just actually new to this CCNA course.
Okay. Nice, Tarun. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm Tomiwa. So, and I already had I did MCSE and cybersecurity, and I want to have the network layer level. That's why I have to join CCNA. So I'm new to CCNA.
Okay. Yeah. So you already done your cybersecurity course.
Yes, and I passed the exam too.
Oh, excellent. So you're doing the reverse course, huh? So already done your cybersecurity, now you came to networking. So first thing is to need to plan for networking, then cybersecurity, right?
Yes. So I know that, but I felt
Okay.
like I
You know
I
already
needed to.
network, then you done. Okay, good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Tumiwa, nice. I think I missed Bhanu Prasad. Bhanu Prasad.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bhanu
Morning.
Prasad. I'm new to CCNA. I want to learn networking technology.
Okay, okay, Bhanu Prasad. Ramakrishna. All right. So thanks everyone. So this is our course. We're going to be learn on this training program all these topics. So today we just have introduction part, and I'm requesting to everyone if you please maintain your mics in mute. Whenever I ask a question, so you want to give reply, unmute, and you can give reply, and again put your mic in back to mute. Okay, but please respond for my questions. Then I can come to know you're following me or not actually. Yeah, Sham, please. So Cisco training tracks are different levels we have actually. So very first level is CCENT, Cisco Certified Entry Level Network Technician. This is one course. This is one training actually. CCNT training. Once you done CCNT, the next level training is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Level Network Associate. Once you done CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. Next level is Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert, CCIE. And highest level training in Cisco track is CCAR, Arctic level, Cisco Certified Arctic level. These are the different levels of training we have in Cisco. So now we are starting from CCENT, right? CCNA. So it doesn't mean we are not skipping CCENT. If we do CCNA, like CCENT also will be covered actually. Yes. If you are new for CCNA or you already have experience on CCNA networking, whatever, we can start CCNA. You can start with CCNA. Even if you are non-IT, non-technical, no issues actually, because in CCNA training we designed from basic level to advanced level, like week wise. The first week we'll discuss completely network fundamentals, like very strong network fundamentals we are going to discuss. That first 1 week course will help you to learn about all this fundamentals actually. Then second week we'll go to advanced level actually, routing technology, switching technology, security concepts. Okay, so you don't worry about I'm a very new, I don't know, I'm starting it is first time, no problem. You just follow our regular sessions and practices. That's enough actually. Level training is okay, but what technologies? In CCNA, what type of technologies we have? First one is routing and switching technologies, which we call CCNA routing and switching, CCNA security, CCNA wireless, CCNA voice, CCNA service provider, CCNA data center, like many tracks are there. So which track you choose? It depends upon your interest. It depends upon your job role. But in our training, what track you are going to be covered? Is R&S or security or wireless or voice or all tracks? Yes, what do you say? So thing is, this different type of tracks we don't have right now. Is all are expired. Before 2020 February, Cisco has been removed all level training in CCNA level. So we have specialization from CCNP level, CCNP security, CCNP wireless, CCNP voice, and CCNP advanced routing and services. So specialization. So tracks are available in from CCNP level, not in CCNA. In CCNA currently we have only one course, only one training, which is 200-301. This is only one course. So what exactly this 200-301 covers? Basic routing and switching technologies, basic security, basic wireless, basic voice is all combined in fundamental level actually. Then Zoom technologies we redesigned actually. We redesigned that. No, because of in live networks, what are the most useful practically, what topics, what technology they will need. They need a so routing and switching technologies are very help actually for real networks. So we added some more topics in routing and switching technologies. So that is CCNA plus. So every network engineer should know about security threats, like how to control, because we not only know about how to build a network, we should know after building a network how to protect your network also. Means network security also are important. So we are going to be focused mostly on this CCNA, which is routing and switching technologies and security part. But we'll try to cover some fundamentals of wireless and voice also. No problem. The thing is, this CCNA plus Cisco security training will be 4 weeks course. In first week, network fundamentals will cover. In second week, routing technologies, LAN technologies. The last week, network security, and some advanced topics. So this is our target, guys. 4 weeks training. So today I'll start with some network fundamentals. Okay. Whoever planning to the CCNA certification, just giving introduction part of the CCNA exam, but in upcoming sessions, I will explain it clearly. Okay. This is basic information about CCNA exam. That exam code is CCNA 200-301 for 1000 points. You should score 810, almost 80 to 120 questions will be there. Only in English. Multiple choice with single answer, multiple choice with multiple answers, drag and drop, scenario based, simulation based is a pattern. Almost 325 US dollars exam cost, taxes, GSTs and everything. It's just basic information. And from this 4 weeks training for exam, ~70 to ~80% we cover from whatever we design the training. This training, from this training, you'll get questions. You can clear 70 to 80% of the CCN exam. Remaining, no, 20 to 30% you need to learn from with textbooks and different forms. But even further, I'll help you. But our regular training, you for 70 to 80%. I'm sure for that. Okay.
Balesh, I have a question here.
Yeah, please.
CCNA and CCNP both are like multiple choice questions, or do we have something like practical in exam?
CCNP have practical. CCNP, there are two papers actually, two exams.
Okay.
One is a core exam and one is concentrate exam. In core exam, like multiple choices and scenario based mostly. Like in a concentrate exam, practical will be there actually. We need to, simulations will be there. We need to be all practicals we need done and give the output.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. In CCNA level, we don't have any labs, all theoretical. But scenario based questions will be there mostly in CCNA certification. So
Okay.
earlier, to attempt the CCNP exam, CCNA is mandatory. Once you pass the CCNA, then only you're eligible for CCNP. Now, no need, no prerequisites for CCNP, CCIE, nothing. You want to start from CCNP, yes, you can go directly CCNP or CCNA, CCNA, or CCIE, CCIE. No more prerequisites in Cisco. Any track you can write. You already experience, you already knowledge. You want to attempt the CCNP, you can attempt. But earlier is not, was not there like that. First, you should write CCNA. Once you complete CCNA, then only eligible for CCNP. Then only go for CCIE like that. For CCIE, at least you should write CCNA, at least you should write CCNP, then CCIE eligible. But now, no need. You can directly attempt CCIE also, or CCNP also, or CCNA also. Okay.
Got it.
Right. Let us have a few minutes about for basics of networking. Today I'll explain very basic 4 important points. Point number 1, what is network? Networking, internetwork, internetworking. Let us try to discuss about these 4 important points. What is network? Anyone, can you explain about what is network?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, network is like two or more devices connected to each other, or like they can share files and like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, like
Excellent.
RJ45 cable, LAN cable,
Correct.
but
Yes.
two or more devices are connected to each other means network. Thank you, sir.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. So network means interconnection of 2 or more devices. It's the best statement actually. See, if you search in the Google, what is network? You'll get a lot of statements in YouTube, wherever, right? Not only theoretically, you please understand practically also what is exactly network. Like you have visited any office or you have visited any banks, generally what devices we can see over there? Computers, printers, servers, scanners, biometrics, cameras, IP cameras, right? These all devices are interconnected. That is we call network. Let me make one small diagram here. Device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4, and one storage, or it can be server or printer. So these all devices are interconnected. Means all devices are connected together for one centralized device. So this we called network. Interconnection of, I repeat, interconnection of 2 or more devices called a network. This statement, remember guys, I'll ask you again and again multiple times. You should answer it, okay? Interconnection of two or more devices is called network. The thing is, why these all devices are interconnected? What is the importance of network? This is your mobile phone. This is your mobile phone and you are connected to internet. For what purpose? You're connected to internet. Through mobile data or Wi-Fi, whatever. From your mobile phone, you have got connected to internet, right? For what purpose?
To share the common resources, I think, because in internet there is no any basic propriety. So share the common knowledge from common all the systems means to share resources
Okay,
from all the systems.
right, correct. See, you don't think technically. General questions, basically, generally, why you're on daily basis you're connecting to internet mobile phone? What purpose?
To communicate.
First thing is global communication is possible, correct? Mobile phone is a part of internet, global communication. From any countries you can communicate, from any person you can communicate with the various platforms, various applications. Yes or no? Yes, global communication. Okay, next. In
As
internet,
per
lot of resources are available. Like you can utilize services, banking services, shopping. Like you can do any e-commerce, all services you can utilize. Or some information you can get, or you can do business also. Or some softwares and tools you can download or you can upload. So a lot of resources are available. If your device is a part of internet, then all resources you can utilize, correct? What if your device is not a part of internet? If your device is not connected to internet, then can you access the resources? No. So not only what is network, you try to understand what is the importance of network. In an IT company, then why all devices are interconnected? Same answer. From one device, what are the resources are available in your network? To utilize that resources, your device should be part of a network. Device 1 is a part of, is a connected network, then you can communicate with device 2, you can communicate with device 3, you can communicate with server, you can communicate with printer, and other resources are available in your network, you can use it, like utilize it actually. So first important point is, what is the importance of network? Why network is required for your IT companies? All of you following me?
Yeah. To utilize the
Yeah.
resources.
Utilize the resources. Simple. Okay. So this is a point number one. What is network means? Interconnection of two or more devices called network. Point number two, networking. Networking means same interconnection of two or more devices. On top of that, we need to enable communication. If enable communication between these all connected devices, we can call it networking. Network means just devices are connected. If enable communication means PC1 can communicate with PC2, like all devices are communicating each other. Communication is established by assigning IP address, by enabling some protocols. So connectivity means what? Where you just connected a cable, patch panel, patch cards, you connectivity. That's it done. What we call network. Networking means communication is established. Communication is enabled. So I repeat, network, interconnection of two or more devices called network. Networking, communication between two or more devices. Clear? Okay. Device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4, device 5, devices are interconnected. What we call this is, this device are connected. What we call this is, it is a network. Consider this is network 1, is network 2, and device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4, 2 or more devices here also. What we call this is also a network 3. So total how many networks in this picture? Total how many networks? 3 networks. Out of 3 networks, which network user can access server? Which network users can access printer? Network 3 user or network 2 users or network 1 users? Network 1 user only can access server. Network 1 user only can access printer because the resource is available in network 1. A server is available in network 1. The printer is available in network 1. The network 1 users can utilize these resources, right? What about for network 2 users? What about for network 3 users? Do we need to maintain one more server here, one more printer here, one more server here, one more printer here? No need.
No need.
No.
One hardware can be shared to multiple networks, multiple users. How, as a network engineer, what we need to do means you interconnect network 1, network 2, network 3. So now what we have interconnected?
Route.
No. What we have interconnected now?
Network.
We are
Network.
interconnected 2 or more
Networks.
networks.
2 or more networks. We call it is internetwork. If we interconnect 2 or more devices, we call it as a network. But now what we have done, we have interconnected 2 or more networks. Network 1, network 2, network 3. Each network size can be smaller or bigger or whatever. As for this diagram, in network 1, we have 6 devices. That can be 60, 600, 6000, it many. So interconnection of 2 or more networks called what? Internetwork. In short form, we called internet. Generally, people call what? Internet. Actual terminology, actual word is internetwork. In short form, we call it as internet. Internet means what? Number of networks are connected. Millions of networks, masses of networks are connected actually. That is what we call internetwork. In short form, we call it as internet. Then tell me, what is internetworking?
Sir, may I? Sir, like communication between 2 or more networks is called
That's all.
internetworking.
So if enable communication between 2 or more networks, you just connected a network 1, network 2, network 3, we call internetwork. On top of that, if enable communication, we call it as internetworking. So these are 4 basic important points. Interconnection of 2 or more devices, communication between 2 or more devices, interconnection of 2 or more networks, communication between 2 or more different networks. Clear? Next. Continuation. What type of networks do you have? Like people will say local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, span, or campus area network. Like we have different types of networks we have, right? But what are the majorly have only 2 networks?
Local area network, wide area
LAN
network.
and WAN. Yeah, let me take one general example and we'll discuss it, okay? What is this, guys? Feel free to discuss anything, okay? What is this?
Organization, I think.
This building.
Yeah, it is not looking a building, office building.
Yes, building.
Okay, yes.
Okay, right. So give me any name for our example, regular examples office name. Just give me example, any name for office.
Zoom.
E-tech. Zone.
Office ABC. So it can be your organization, it can be anything. This is my example office ABC, location in Hyderabad, and it is ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. Generally in ground floor, admin department, like sales department, HR department, marketing department. Let us say in admin there are 200 devices are available. In sales department 100, no 500 devices, like different. Okay, and Raj Kumar, can you hear me?
Yeah, Balash.
See, Mr. Raj Kumar and his team, they are network engineers for Office ABC. And his team, they are network engineers. So what is the roles and responsibilities of network engineers? Yes. What are the basic roles and responsibilities? This is, I have mentioned this clear picture. This is a brand. This is establishing now. This is a new office. This is not connected at all. Okay. There is no connectivity. It's a new establishing network, and they have appointed a network team. So what are the roles and responsibilities?
First, to establish the network, to manage the network, and provide the security to the network.
Mhm.
Also, we should monitor the network also.
Okay.
These are the responsibilities of the network engineer, I think.
Yeah. The basic roles and responsibilities are the first 2 points. Whatever you discussed now, these 2 points. What is point number one?
Networks.
Network means what?
To design the network or to communicate between.
We need to interconnect to our more device. Means Raj Kumar and his team using of technicians' help. The first thing is they need to be all devices should be connected. In ground floor, 200 devices under Raj Kumar team. So they will like network engineers will give the picture. Like I need multiple 4, 5 switches in ground floor, and what type of patch cards they have to use. So where you need a device. This is under supervision of network team. Technicians will come and they can install all the things actually. Patching and making sure total how many devices? 5 to 7 plus 3.
Also,
1000 devices should be connected. But we don't do these guys. As a network team, we don't do that. Like we need to give this plan for technicians will do actually. But before instead of directly working on network team, better you go closely work with the technicians, then understand the physical connectivity also. Okay, so this is the first task. So all 1000 devices are connected. Connectivity is okay. Then what is the next responsibility? Networking. Networking means what?
Communication between networks.
Communication. Now we need to establish a communication between is all 1000 devices. Means we need to assign IP addressing. Like which class IP address need to be recommended for this office ABC for 1000 devices, class A, class B, private IP, public IP, like many. So that is also as a network team, we need to take a decision actually. Okay, you have assigned IP address, everything is done, and communication is established. A network is up and running, but is not only their responsibility. The thing is, a marketing manager will come to network team. Hello, Raj Kumar. A network is okay, but our requirement is one requirement. Our team we have 200 computers, but out of 200 computers, first 100 computers should not communicate with another 100 computers. I need a separation. So based upon marketing manager requirement, in third floor, you need to avoid communication from 100 device to 100 devices. It's also our responsibility. And HR team will come with a different requirement. Sales team will come with a different requirement. Admin team will come with a different requirement based upon requirement. And Office ABC policies. As per Office ABC policy, marketing department should not communicate HR. HR should not communicate sales, but marketing should communicate to admin. HR should communicate admin based upon Office ABC policies and based upon each department requirement. We need to support for them actually. Let's say sales department is working for 24/7, then a network team should support or not? Yes, we should available shift wise, team wise. So ultimately, as a network engineers, what is our major responsibilities is we need to provide a proper network connections for all departments. And ultimately, we need to provide our organization in up and running. So inside of your engineers, network engineers, the team can be 10 members, 20 members. So Raj Kumar will decide. First 5 members you support for marketing team. Second 5 members you support for admin team. Like 5 members for HR, 5 members for 20 members. For 20 members, leading sales network engineers. If you need any support, they will lead action. Like different levels. Following me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So in marketing team, they're working with some tools, they're working with some applications. If his application is not running in specific computer, other computer application is running, but another computer application is not running. Why? System engineer will come in the picture. Is not a network engineer. So system engineer job, like HR team is asking, I need Windows 11 computer here. I need Windows 10 computer here. System administrator will come in the picture. If communication issue, any network slowness issue, then our team will come in the picture. Following me, guys? Are you understanding
Yes.
what are the roles and responsibility of a network team, network engineers?
Yes.
Yeah. Well and good. So you are managing entire 1000 computers. 1000 just a number is example. It can be more than also. But my question is, how to manage this all 1000 computers? How to interconnect? How to enable communication between all 1000 devices? And how to avoid the communication if you need as per the policies? So finally, how to manage this network? What knowledge you required to manage this? So you must train and get very strong knowledge on technologies called what? LAN technologies. What is LAN?
Local area network.
Full form is okay. I need a definition, like how we can define what is LAN.
It helps office computers with each other to communicate, like with a single printer and all.
Okay.
How to do mappings and policies, NAT policies to implement on that network and monitor.
No, don't go with the technical, Atul, like in adding implementations. Why technical you're speaking? We feel like very freshers. We are discussing fundamentals now. In coming sessions, we'll try to discuss in technical. Okay.
Okay.
These are very fundamentals because very new people also join in the sessions. So generalized. So just tell me answers in fundamental level. Actually, agree. Whatever you're telling, that is okay. Agree. Technically strong. Correct. Try to answer for uh, basic. What is LAN?
Make the communication at basic level and to connect all the devices at the centralized as a centralized way.
Okay. I'll tell you one definition. LAN. What is N means?
Network.
N means what?
Network.
Network. What is network?
Communication interconnected between two devices.
Interconnection of two or more devices in which area?
Same area within
Local area.
Limited area called LAN. Very simple. Interconnection of two or more devices in limited area, such as one room or floor or a building, is a LAN. Agree?
Yes, agreed.
Yes.
Very simple and perfect definition actually. Would LAN. Interconnection of two or more devices in limited area or local area, example within a room, within a floor, within a building, it's LAN. So if you get trained and have a very good knowledge on LAN technologies, then as a network team, you can manage and maintain 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, any type of small, medium, large network cards. Next example, if you go for any five-star hotels, there'll be many floors, 5 to 10 floors. In each floor, many devices, many customers. They need internet connectivity on every area. We need to provide it. Or if you take one university building, different departments, different wings, we need to provide a network connection. But all are in local, limited premises only, right? If we take any hospitals, very high equipment is to deal, high network connectivity they required. We need to provide it actually. So how it can come? LAN technologies. If you are very perfect in the LAN technologies, you are eligible to work in the limited premises. Your eligibility. You can go and ask, I know the how to manage this local network. Give me a job. Yes, they can give. Okay, Mr. Raj and team has trained on LAN technologies only, and they're managing everything, and the network is up and running. They're well supporting for each and every team. Good. Later sometime, Office ABC is open in multiple branches in all over India. Head office is Hyderabad. In Bangalore, Chennai, Goa, Kolkata, like all over India wide, they have opened multiple branches. Now, office management team is came to network engineers team. Okay, Raj, you are managing, maintaining the good in our office. Appreciate, but we have a new project now. So that is, we are establishing branches all over India wide. So can you and your team can manage other branches connectivity, head office to branch one, head office to branch two, branch three, like all branches should be connected and should be communicate. This is our new plan, new project. Raj, can you say no, manager? We know only LAN technologies within office only we can manage. I don't know how to connect other branch and how to enable communication. Can you say no to manager? What do you
There
say?
is no, actually, you cannot say no to
You
anything.
cannot say no. Yeah. Because as a network engineer, we should maintain, manage everything, right? Then what is the responsibilities now? Next 2 points. What is the next 2 points? Internetwork and internetworking.
WAN. That is
Hey, from these 4 points only, lot of things we need to understand. Correct?
correct.
Yeah. So what is internetwork? Interconnection of multiple branches, multiple networks, two or more networks,
WAN.
multiple sites. You have one site in head office, Hyderabad. We have one site in branch one. one in India, in another country. You need to interconnect them. How to interconnect? With the help of support of ISPs, service providers. You cannot make a direct link, right? It's not possible. So for these 2 points, internetwork and internetworking, your network team will be closely work with the service providers and make a connectivity. So when you are working with the network and networking, then ISP help is not required because internal network, we need to manage everything. Only for these two, internetwork and communication, connectivity and communication purpose, we need to closely work with the service providers team. What protocols we are, what bandwidth, how much bandwidth, what connectivity, what IP address, how configurations, that's some part we need to work with the service providers. Okay, so internetwork means what? Interconnection of two or more devices, sorry, networks. If there's a network team, what knowledge you need to interconnect two or more networks, to enable communication between two or more networks. Inter-network connectivity purpose, you might require knowledge what? WAN technologies. So WAN technologies will provide you knowledge only for what? Connectivity. Your broadband connection is a connectivity. Laser lines connections. MPLS is one type of WAN connectivity. So WAN technologies will provide the knowledge on only for connectivity section. But ultimately what we need? Inter-networking means what? Communication between different networks. So how the communication? So for communication purpose, we must require knowledge on what? Routing protocols. So as a network engineers, WAN technologies, routing protocols, is it optional knowledge or is mandatory? Mandatory. Must learn about this. Then only you can manage everything. It's mandatory to learn. Okay, so this network team has trained well on LAN, WAN, routing protocols, everything in and out of these, all the things you have learned and practices, everything is okay. Then can we manage the branches, guys? Yes. So not only within a office building infrastructure manage, even though you need to manage your different sites also as a network team. Okay, ultimately your head office and branch one are connected via service provider network. ISP, your branch one head office connected via ISP. For service provider, as the office ABC, you only the customer connect to service provider, many customers are connected for ISPs. Many customers are connected. So means, can we say ISP is a public? Public only. Means your organization data exchanging happening via public domain. So when data is exchanging via public domain, there are some possibilities of traffic monitoring. Someone in the middle can capture the traffic, or someone can create some fake network and inject some malware. Attacks will come. So for that purpose, there is a dedicated team, which is different team. That is network security team. Will implement the policies. A network team will manage internal connectivity and communication and different side communication, connectivity, communication. Network security team will implement the policies. Means complete control taken by network team. Office ABC security team. So security team will not listen from Office ABC management also. If you need a 100% better security, you must follow our policies. Not group policies, Tomiwa. Group policies are different. Internal group policies. This is network policies. Like which website traffic should come, which website traffic should go out, which branches should communicate, what routing protocol need to be implemented, which protocols need to be configured. Because some protocols, if we configure based upon that protocol, attacks will may come in the picture actually. So network policies are different, group policies are different. Group policy is nothing but what? Like how many employees you have? 1,000 employees. So each and every employee, we cannot give the permissions. For person one, you have some permissions. Person two, you have some permission. No. What we can do is, for marketing 100 people, we'll create one group called group A. And I'll give some policies for group A. Who are in the part of group A, for all people, same policies will applicable. That is a group policies. No, the topic is dividing. I'll come to back to network. It is a different tech actually. Okay, it is a group policy. This is a network policies. Means firewall. We'll put a firewall, and firewall inside the firewall we create a policies. So and so network users can communicate. So and so network should be denied. So and so HTTP should communicate. So and so FTP communicate, or SMTP denied. Facebook denied. Like that policies we can write in the network security. VPN configurations is all done by network security. So network security knowledge for network team, is it mandatory or optional? Anyhow, there is a separate dedicated team for to maintain the securities, network security, right? Optional. But at least try to learn about minimum fundamentals, security fundamentals. Blindly, we cannot work with this, right? For everything, small things also, we cannot depend on the security team. At least you should learn some security fundamentals. Yeah, tell me guys now. To become a good network engineer, what are the knowledge we required? Yes, please. LAN technologies, WAN technologies, routing protocols, and network security fundamentals. Once you have trained and good knowledge on these technologies, can you become as a network engineer? Yes or no? Yes. So even our target is also same, guys. Whatever our training, this CCNA course, if you go this all the things, we can get knowledge on these things actually. Clear? So finally, what type of networks we have? Majorly two networks, LAN and WAN. And next is point number 1, network introduction. Point number 2, network types. Point number 3, next week, means from Monday to Saturday or Friday. Complete next week, we are going to discuss about this point number 3 only. Point number 3 is basic requirements to build a network, to form a network. To form a network, what are the basic things we need? Can be local network, it can be wide network, can be any network. How to form it, how to build it, what components we need, and how to understand the components. So which is very, very important. This Next week, we are going to discuss about very strong foundation. Almost 1st August, 1, 2, 3, 5, yeah, 5 to 6 days will be in this point only. Okay. All right. So the timings will be like this. Every day, since Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. But slot is available up to 10 a.m. So 30 minutes time we can utilize or not depends upon the topic wise, practical wise. If we need, we can extend, or sometimes 8 to 9, 8 to 9:15, 8 to 9:30, 8 to 10. It depends upon the topic wise, day wise action. And every Sunday is off. Every session has been recorded. No, Tarun, GRE topic will be covered, yes, not IPsec. GRE will be covered. IPsec, because that public key exchange, private key exchanging. So we need some mechanism of cyber security wise, security level. So IPsec protocol will completely covered in cyber security sessions. In CCNA level, we'll discuss about GRE problem. Yeah. Okay, Tarun. All right, every session. So even today's session is also recorded. Just a minute. I'll give this a link. So to get recorded video, you just need to do one thing. I have shared that link on chat. Now you can submit these details actually. Oh, let me check another one. Yes. Please ignore the first one. Take the second link. Just now have shared. Is that? See your name, mail ID, your contact details, and your counselor who will touch with you. And submit, then automatically every this is one-time registration only. Then you can get recorded videos for a Google Drive. Okay.